Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to round when multiplying in Excel. I have a spreadsheet set up here, and I've just got some random numbers that I put in two columns. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to just multiply them. So in any formula in Excel, you start with an equal sign. You say equals, and then we click on that cell times that cell there and hit return, and there's the product. And we can do, copy that formula down by selecting the cell, put your cursor to the bottom right until it changes to a plus, and then drag down and it copies the formula. But what we want to do is we want to have a rounded number. So to do that, we'll do the same thing, except we're going to start with a function called round. And it's going to say, you just enter in equals round, and then parentheses. And what it's going to ask for, it's going to ask for the number that we want to round. So we'll just type in, click on C2, and then we're going to type a comma, and it's looking for the number of digits. So we want to round it to a certain number of digits. In this case, let's round it to 1 digit, and we'll type close parentheses and return. And you can see if we drag, and actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to make more significant digits on everything just so we can see what we're doing here. So I've got everything set to 2 significant digits, but I'm going to increase it to maybe 4. So we click on this cell and we drag it down, and we see that each of the numbers is rounded down to the nearest number. So 32.5223 got rounded down to 32.5 even. If we find one, here's one where the second digit is greater than 5. So 3.9594 is actually, it doesn't round down. It rounds to the nearest number, to the nearest 1 digit. So 3.9594 rounds up to 4.0000. Now, if you want to actually round down, a useful function is the int function, which just rounds down to the nearest number, meaning the nearest integer. So to do that, we'll type in equals int, and then an open parenthesis, and then we click on the cell that we want to do the calculation on, and close parentheses. And so 32.5223 rounded down to 32, and we drag that formula down, and we can see even the ones that, 3.9594 rounded down to the nearest integer, which is 3. So depending on exactly what you want to do, you would either use the round function or the integer function. There are a couple other functions, and feel free to explore the different function libraries in Excel to find the one that is most useful for you. But these are the two most common ones. I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to use Excel to round when multiplying. Thank you for watching.